Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the YouTube Kids on your Android device, and start right in. Now to download and install the YouTube Kids on your Android device, first open up the Play Store on your mobile, and after opening your Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in YouTube Kids like this and tap on search, and you can see there is the YouTube Kids app available at the top of the screen. Tap over there and you can see the install button over here. Tap on install. By doing that, the YouTube Kids app will be downloaded on your device momentarily and it will be installed. And there guys, this is how you download and install the YouTube Kids on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.